Yeah, good afternoon. Good afternoon. I am fine. What about you?
I'm also good and thank you for asking. Everything is going well. What about
Uh,
you?
so, take my introduction by myself. My name is Irfan Ali. I am from Pakistan, Parwan, Balochistan district, Nasirabad. Talk to about my profession. I am do work at shop to elder my brothers. So I have done education. I have done 10 class. Currently, my education going on in college. I don't go college. Some reasons, and I am learning. Talk about journey. Speaking English. I am learning from YouTube channels. I watch motivational movies and conversation movies. Yeah, I didn't take admission any academies. I am only learning from YouTube channels. That's all my introduction by myself. So please introduction by yourself.
Yes, certainly. I'm glad to have heard your introduction. So let me tell you something about me. My name is Shabnam and I hail from India, especially in Mumbai part. In Mumbai, which is in India. And professionally, I'm a pharmacist. Apart from this, I'm a mother of two lovely daughters and I'm a homemaker as I manage my home as well. And I'm a full-time trader. I work in a stock market. So you can say like I'm a trader as well. So this is all about a brief introduction of me.
Okay, that's great.
Okay. All right. So sir, you told me that you have completed 10th or just now your like studies continues. Now you are studying in 11th standard.
Yeah. Of course, I am studying in 11th class. I did exam 11th class. Right now, I will start senior class.
Okay, that means
I
12th.
will go senior class. Yes, I did first year class examination.
Yes, the 12th HSC has 2 years, junior and senior. Junior we call the 11th standard. Like some people they say junior, some people they say
Right,
like it's 11th.
right. So my education is primary. My education from village primary fifth class and my fifth class in city 10th. Yeah, these
Okay,
reasons my English is little by little weak, and I make some mistake.
it's okay. It's okay. Like once you practice over and over on the daily basis, you will get improve very soon. Don't worry about this. It's happened with every person.
Yes.
Okay.
So you are teacher?
No, I'm not a teacher. Actually, I used to teach few years ago. I used to teach a few students, but at that time, I couldn't get enough time to teach them. That's why I had to stop it. Because
Yes.
already I have a few works, so I am occupied with those works. That's why. But I can teach. I have experience of teaching for a few years.
Okay. So how long time you have YouTube channel?
Well, just I have created my YouTube channel. I think 4 months ago. It's been 4 months I have created, and I same I do conversation with the co-learners and learners, and then I upload that same video on my channel for the practice purpose, so that I can connect with the uh, different like area of the learners, different countries learners. This is the main
Right.
reason.
Right. So I have created new channels. This is my channels. One videos. I think 20 views, 30 views incoming. Some reasons explain why are little views coming.
When did you create your channel?
I think 1 month ago.
1 month ago. And how many videos have you uploaded on your channel?
Uh, Video is few 4 5 videos.
4 5 videos.
Yes.
So see, first of all, as like a beginner, if any beginner they start the YouTube channel, so initially all beginner they have less views. Okay, you are getting less views for few reasons. Okay, Maybe it could be like you have uploaded only 4 to 5 videos, and it in order to get views, good views on YouTube, you are supposed to upload video on each and every day. Okay, this is one thing which I know. Second thing is that there is a proper SEO of YouTube is available, where you have to put the description, tag, and everything in a proper way. If you are missing something in those things, that maybe it is a second reason. Okay, and the third one is the thumbnail. I'm also a new YouTuber, so I don't have that much of idea. But in those 4 months, I have gathered this kind of ideas. Okay, why we have less views? Okay, third one is thumbnail. Maybe your thumbnail is not attractive; it's not a clickable. You need to work
Yes,
on thumbnail a bit. Okay, this could be the reason. Third reason, and
yes,
fourth one, if I say, then follow the consistency only. Initially, it happens with every person. You have uploaded only few 3 to 4 videos, so it's happened. I know one channel, Convo Craft. She uploads. I think she has also created 1 month ago one channel, and she uploaded more videos. She uploads every day. Each and every
right,
day she uploads video, but still she has like less views on her channel. So, and I told her, you should check your proper tag and description and everything. Maybe
right,
because of that, she is not getting appropriate, like good views on her channel. But initially, see, YouTube is a platform where you can't expect any good things within the short period of time. Okay, you will have to work on it effortlessly and relentlessly. Okay, then
right.
after some time, you will get result. Don't worry. Initially, it happens with every person.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, of course. Okay, okay.
Hmm.
So, little question ask me, who can I reply?
Yes, yes.
Little
I have
question.
a question. I have question for you. First, like, do you go college every day on the daily basis, or once in a week, or in a month?
So I didn't go college. I have just taken admission. I
Okay,
have
you
just
have just taken admission.
yes. I
Hmm.
have
When will
just
your
taken.
college be start? When will your college start?
So I think I will only give exam and in my mind I will go in university in my thing because I am working in shop to elder my brothers and other I have not to work in shop. This reasons I can't go college.
Okay. Hmm. So your brother has a shop also. He
Yes,
has
yes.
shop. Which sort of shop he has?
Cold drink shop, cold drink.
Cold drink shop. Only cold drink? You keep only cold drinks or something else like wafer and snacks?
Yes, yes. Cold drink shop, mixed cold drink, Karena store, and other home things mixed.
Okay, grocery shop. Grocery shop.
Yes,
Your brother has a grocery shop. Okay. Mm-hmm. All right. So do you have two siblings only? Your brother and you? Do you have
yes.
sister
Yes.
as well?
Yes, yes. I have five brother and four sister.
Okay, five brother and four sister.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
You have many
Yes.
siblings. So do you quarrel with them? Do you bicker with them?
So please again.
Do you
It,
quarrel with your siblings? Like you have, as you mentioned, you have many
yes, yes.
siblings.
Little thing I quarrel with my brothers, elder brothers, and young brothers. Little things. Uh, but he are saying I don't know, and I don't expect that things. Little matters. I am quarreling.
Okay.
I
And your
yes,
sister, have they got married? Your sisters?
yes. One married. One my sister have married, and one brother.
Okay, one sister and one brother only. Just of them,
Yes,
they like haven't got married. Like
yes,
they're not married.
yes,
Mm-hmm.
yes.
Okay. Mhm.
Also,
So how do you learn this language? Like on the daily basis, do you watch anything or regarding grammar?
oh, yes, okay. So I am learning this language from 10 months, but I don't practice regularly. Sometimes I practice speaking English, but these days I think 20 days I am daily basis practice 1 day half hour, 1 hour, half hour, 1 hour. But
Okay.
sometimes I have not, and some I have not opportunity to speak English in my cities. Don't know English speaking, and I
Mhm.
am first person in my family members. I am speaking English, and I am learning. I am studying education. I am first person after me education studying education.
Great, great. Like you are the first one in your family member who study this language, who is studying this language and also like doing your completing your study. That's a great thing. And I hope very soon you will be fluent in this language as well. Just do practice every day and keep
Yes, yes,
learning. Okay. Don't like
inshallah.
demotivate. Don't demotivate it. Okay.
Okay. So I
Yes.
want
And
to ask. Okay. So I want to ask you a little question. Which
yes,
thing is
please ask.
important to learn English?
Which is important for learning English?
Yes, yes. Which is
Yes. If
important? English.
Mhm. Well, see, I feel speaking is most important, but prior to start speaking, we should work on our tenses initially. If any person is beginner should focus on tenses so that they can construct the sentences in a good way. And after that, they focus on the speaking. Practice with the co-learners, okay, on audio, either on audio call or video call. But first is tenses and then speaking with someone. These are the
Oh,
main important. I think these are the indispensable thing to learn this language. And apart from this, many more things are there as we increase our stage of learning. So gradually we can change our methods. Like initially, if you feel okay, now I am able to convey my message easily, then you can start with listening also. Listening is the second part. Like do conversation with the speaking and the listening. They both are
yes,
important, like one by one. Speaking at the first place, and then second number is listening. And third number, when you're comfortable with this language, then you can go with the reading and writing as well. But it's a subsequently you can do this thing. Initially, it's quite difficult if you follow all these methods together. You might get confused. Okay, so initially, like just focus on the speaking and listening, and apart from this, the tenses part. If any
yes.
person is beginner, okay.
Okay, okay. So, where are you have learned speaking English?
I have
I
learned
am the
only for.
yes. I
I'm from. Yes, yes, yes. Definitely, I would like to tell you. I have learned only from the YouTube. There is no another mediator because in my family member, I'm also only one person who like who knows this language and who tries to speak with the learners. So whatever I have a small knowledge or bit knowledge, whatever I have gained this knowledge from the YouTube only. Okay, I listen to lots of conversation video, grammar concepts. I practice with the learners,
yes.
and these are all the main like reasons. But overall, only YouTube is the platform which is responsible for my learning this language, which is the reason. Okay, only
Okay,
YouTube.
okay, okay. So I think like these sessions, number of the Indian people's recording, right?
Yes, most of I have connected like till now in 4 months I have connected lots of phone learner and they most of them are Indians. I connected once, no, twice with the Pakistani, and this is the first and third time when I'm talking to you. You are the like third one. So I feel most of the Indian learners have YouTube channel and they like practice with each other. Pakistanis are less, I feel. Do you know
Yes, yes.
like which is your favorite Pakistani tutor on YouTube which you follow?
Yes, yes, yes. Pakistani is less people speak and record videos, but number of Indian people recording videos and
Yes,
upload
yes.
recording. I watch Indian recording videos. Indian people speaking English is very easy and clear sound. I can understand. But other countries, I don't know. I can't understand. like US.
Their accent, their accent are different. Their accent are different. Their
Right, right.
pronunciation, they are pronouncing word in a different way. Our like
Yes,
Indian pronunciation is easy to understand, and they focus like they try to speak it with the like slow pace, with the slow pace and with the intonation. Uh, I'm not like perfect. Sometimes I speak so fast, but most of the Indian speaker who are proficient, they definitely they speak slow and clear, crisp. They are good speaker really.
yes, yes.
Do you
Right.
do you follow any Indian YouTuber to
Yes, yes.
learn this language?
Yes, I followed many Indian peoples and I watch. I am speaking English and I read, I speak, I whatever I can understand. I learn Indians. Teachers. One teacher's name is English with Chandan. Do you know that name? English with Chandan teacher.
Yes, yes, yes. He is my favorite. He is my
Right,
favorite, and I
that
follow
channel.
him. I've been following him
Right.
for a long time. English with Chandan.
He,
Yes,
he is he is best teacher in your Indian country.
I must say, really, he is like from my perspective, he is really best teacher. Best
Yes,
teacher. Like no one can beat him. He has a tremendous knowledge of grammar and this language.
yes, yes. One time I tried to take admission, but he said I have all bench already filled. I have not any place to take admission. Give take me give
Okay,
take give admission. So I didn't again take to try to take a admission.
okay. When you applied at that time, all seats were full, so you didn't get chance to take admission in that time. Mhm.
Right.
Sometimes
Yes.
happen.
Yes.
Lots of people they want to take this admission in Chandan sir classes, but maybe sometimes they are full. That's why I haven't tried, but I watch most of his videos. Whenever I
Okay.
get time, definitely I prefer watching his videos. I love watching his videos.
Okay. So, you, tell about your education. Where are you get education in private school, private college, or government?
No, I have completed my study in government school, not a private. Yes, till 10th, till 12th standard, and having completed my 12th HSC 12th standard, then I got admission, which was private, and it was 2 years course of it was 2 years diploma course I did, and this was the pharmacy course where we studied about the medicines, how to prepare medicine, manufacture medicine, what are the mechanism of action of that particular medicines, what are the uses of medicine, how to take and legislation to regarding to those medicines. So all about the medicines, the study which I have done. Pharmacy. Have you ever heard about the pharmacy?
Right. So, what is weather? How weather in your country right now these days?
Well, in our country, if I talk about our country, so in every state we have different weather. See, in Mumbai, it's rainy heavily. In 4 months, like 4 months, we have rainy season. So
Right.
nowadays it's raining continuously. Yes, in Mumbai. But if we talk about Delhi area, and few parts, so they in those area, rainy season is not available. So I can say like in those area it's a summer. It's a hot summer season. Some areas at this time with the winter season. So our country is amalgam of all weathers. Okay,
Yes. Yes.
summer you can find summer, winter, rainy, all seasons together in this country. Might
Right.
in,
Right.
like in your country might the same thing happening or different.
Right. Right. Like this. Like this.
Same.
Currently, it is running here. Currently.
It's raining. Okay, okay. Currently raining
Today,
on your side.
yeah, yeah. Today, cloud in sky.
It's cloudy.
Yes.
Okay. Great, great.
But few days ago, very hard.